Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the last video we talked about variables, using them and their advantages over using normal strings. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about user input, how to collect data from a user and how to print that data out. If you're ready for this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss more amazing content like this. Also check out my Discord server, the link is going to be in the description, and you can follow me on my socials, the link is on my channel banner and in the description. Anyways guys, let's get into the video. In the last episode we learned about variables, but real quick I wanted to show you something else in Python before we go into using inputs, and that is how to add strings together and make them print out as a single statement. To do this, all you need to do is use the addition operator. It's the same as the one you use to add numbers, but it adds both numbers and strings together to form one string. So as you can see here, I create a variable called name and I print hello name with the addition operator, and it finds the value of the variable name and prints it out. So another thing we can do is save the greeting into a variable. And once you do that, it's also going to dynamically change the string in the print statement. Now this makes it easier to use variables across many different things, like I said in the last video. So it's going to make it a little easier to change stuff just because you're using variables. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use inputs in your programs. And after that, we're going to build a little application using what we know so far, that is inputs, strings, and variables. And we're going to use it to make a pretty interesting application that will allow us to view the profile of a person. So first thing you have to do is initialize a variable. Now the value of that variable, instead of giving it a value like a string or a number, you're going to give it a value of an input keyword with parentheses, opening and closing. And inside those parentheses, you're going to put the text that the user sees before the input. So if it's name, you can put name inside the parentheses with a colon and a space to show that that is what the user is going to enter. But I usually like to have my inputs in new lines and use print statements in the lines before that. So now I'm going to combine all the knowledge and we're going to create a profile application that is going to take a person's name, age, and work and put it in one single statement, therefore showing us the person's profile. So first thing we're going to do is create inputs for the name, age, and profession, or what the person does on a daily basis. Now once we collect all that data, we're going to return a statement that is going to tell the user about what he or she does, his age, and his profession. So we're going to collect all the values of those variables and we're going to use them in our sentence. So as you notice, I have nothing in the parentheses. Of course, you can add your own strings inside the input parentheses, and in those strings you can write name with a colon and a space. It's just going to make it look way better when you're writing your program. I didn't do it here because I just wanted to show you the example, but you can make your program look way better, or you can use the print statement beforehand just like I did, or you can combine them both to create an amazing application. So the way this is designed is it's supposed to tell you your age and your work. So it says your name is, and then the age, years old. And then it says your name again because I don't know if it's a he or a she. That's why I decided to use the name. But it goes name, works as a, and then it prints out the profession of the person or the work or what he does on a daily basis. So when you run this application, you're going to get profile app 1.0. Please enter your name. Now when you enter your name, it's going to ask you to enter your age. Now if you notice, I forgot the right spelling, but it doesn't matter. This is a tutorial. Don't forget to write the right spelling in your own program. So once you enter all your fields, that is your name, age, and profession, it's going to print out the statement that you are this years old and you work as this. Now as you can see, I forgot some spaces somewhere, but don't forget to make sure that your program is working properly. You have to add spaces before the variable and after the variable to make sure that it works properly, because the user is not going to add spaces when he's typing his or her name. So you have to do that for the user in the strings between the variables. So this is a great starting point if you want to start making programs. You can start making your own things. You can start making your own small applications that are quite effective using this input strategy, which collects user data, processes it, and gives us an output. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like down below and also subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss more amazing content like this. So shout out to my smiling turban who joined in the Discord stream. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Join my Discord server, the link is going to be in the description. Stay happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.